Oh, you're floating them up. You're floating them up. It's perfect. Yes. Oh, I love it. Okay. Yeah, shears would be good.
What do we do?
Wait. I almost had it. Did you see that?
Here. I got the pro strat. We got to put a platform here so that when you can't levitate up anymore.
Oh, I accidentally went through.
You did the thing.
But he didn't come with me.
That's fine. We got this.
Okay. Come on, Tango.
Just drive him through
Push him in. Yeah, drive him in.
We're going.
Yes! Yes! All right.